Now we are going to understand, student, data types. So whenever we are going to create a table, it is important to have a database data type knowledge. Okay, and which attribute, which data type will fit, it's up to database designer. I am to say database administrator. So first of all, we are going to understand data type. So each value that is manipulated by SQL database is data type. The data type value associated with the fixed set of property. So every data type has fixed set of property. Okay, in SQL there are three main data type, that is character, number and date types. So underline this one, student. So there are three main data type: character, number and data type, date type. Okay, so here first of all we are going to discuss character. So here character data type store character like alphanumeric also, sometime numeric also, but it will not consider under the arithmetic operation. Okay, which are word for free from text. Okay, definitely these words free from text. Okay, they are less restrictive, and then data type are consequently have fewer properties. For example, character columns can store all alphanumeric values. Okay, but number column can store only number value. Character data type are char, varchar, varchar2. So student, in character data type we can store the character also, symbols also, and even then number also. If you are going to store number in a character data type, it will not take part arithmetic operation. I mean to say we cannot calculate it, because that character considered as a simple string or the say character alphabets. Whether in a number, it will only allow you to store the number only, not the characters. So that is some restriction are there. So there are, student, three type of data type under the character: char, that is store only one character; varchar, that is a standard version; varchar2, advanced version. So here char used for storing fixed length of a string. Okay, suppose that if you are giving a pin code, okay, for user, enter your city pin code. Okay, that time we know the pin code is never going to take part in any arithmetic operation. Okay, in such way you can use char data type. Under that you can create the block. Inside that block you can say that 6 digit. So it means to say character data type will allow you to only enter the fixed length of character string. Okay, let me be blank or space also. Now null value also. For example, here as I told you, example char within round bracket n. I have given example char within round bracket 6 for city pin code. Varchar. So varchar is a character string. Definitely it is also type of character. If you declare data type varchar, then it will occupy space for null value also. Okay, it can maximum length of 2000 characters. It means to say by default maximum length is 2000 character. So format you can see that varchar within round bracket n in the sense number like 2000, 115, 1500 like this. Okay, and varchar2 is used for storing the variable length of character string. The string value length will be stored in a disk in itself. It means to say varchar value will store the data in a disk, hard disk also. Okay, its size definitely according to the ANSI standard, but take up space for variables. Varchar2 use only Oracle, but makes the more efficient use for space. Okay, student. So as I told you, DBMS are different type like Oracle, database, okay, DBase, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server. So varchar2 is efficient in Oracle database only. Okay, so varchar2 having the ANSI standard programming also. For example, varchar10 has fixed length, only allow you to 10 space. Varchar10 has fixed length and including with null also. Varchar2 10 has variable length. Okay, whatever the variable. Now we are going to understand how to use it. Okay, so here name, within now after that char 10, name, after that varchar 10, name varchar2 10. So it will create like this. Okay, data type, Access, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL and PostgreSQL. So here String, fixed length, character in SQL, character in Oracle, character in MySQL, character in PostgreSQL. And a string variable that is lesser than 256 and memo will be 65,000. Okay, definitely keep. Varchar 1 and 2, I am to say varchar default and 2, varchar for MySQL and varchar for PostgreSQL.